How you can create many different multiple accounts on Telegram without using your actual phone number. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your Telegram's login page and open your Play Store to download this app called Secure VPN. So just download this app and connect it to your server. I have already connected it, so once you've done that, just go back and open your Play Store and download this called Temporary Second Number Receive SMS. You can find it on Play Store. You can just open the app, and on this app you can find different numbers from different countries for a really cheap price, not even $8. So this one right here from Algeria, or this costs 8 cents, 80 cents, so it's not even $8. So if you tap on activate, you can just continue with whatever you have and add a payment method, create an account, and you can just copy that number and paste it on your Telegram right here. Just paste it, and once you paste the number here, it will detect the country. Enter the country as Algeria and just enter the number, tap on next, and you will get the SMS verification from there, and you should be able to log into your Telegram. And that's how you can create multiple Telegram accounts. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to its channel. I will see you guys on the next video.